Hello children. In today's class, we will take word problems in the chapter pair of linear equations into variables. The first sum is this. The sum of numerator and denominator of a given fraction is 12. If 3 is added to its denominator, then the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Then find the given fraction. So we know that we can start the required one as what? Some unknown factor like this. Let the given fraction be what? X by y. Let the given fraction be x by y. Now straight away we will take this according to the question. What the question says, the sum of the numerator and the denominator of a given fraction is 12. Since here we have assumed the fraction as x by y, numerator and the denominator, according to the question, the sum of the numerator and the denominator gives what? 12. Call this as equation 1. Next, look at the second condition. If 3 is added, if 3 is added to its denominator, if 3 is added to its denominator, now look at children. If 3 is added to its denominator, the fraction becomes is what? 1 by 2. Got it? If 3 is added to the denominator, then we get what? 1 by 2. Then the fraction is 1 by 2. Now we have to get that original fraction means already we have equation 1. Now let us get equation 2. Now therefore, so this implies 2x equal to y plus 3. Cross multiplication is done. Now therefore, this implies 2x minus y equal to 3. Let us call this as equation 2. So now thus we have pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay children, now we have get the value of x and y. In case of word problems, we can follow any method. Okay, now it is quite easy. Here we have plus y, minus y. Let us follow elimination method. That means now we have to eliminate one of the variables. Minus y plus y, when we add, y will be eliminated. Hence, on adding 1 and 2. On adding 1 and 2. On adding 1 and 2. Okay children. When we add 1 and 2, plus x plus 2x becomes 3x, plus y minus y get cancelled, 12 plus 3, 15. Therefore, now we get x equal to 15 by 3, therefore, x equal to 5. X equal to 5. Now therefore, by substituting the value of x in 1, we get, hence 1 is this, x plus y equal to 12. So now therefore, substituting x equal to 5 in 1, y equal to 12 minus x, that means 12 minus 5, hence y becomes what? 7. So now we know the value of x and y below this, hence the given fraction is what? X by y. X is what? 5 by y. Y is what? 7. Okay, children. Yes, children. The second one, 10 years hence, the age of A will be 2 times that of B. 10 years ago, the age of A was 6 times that of age of B. What are their present ages? As usual, let us assume, let the present ages of A and B be X years and Y years respectively. Okay. Now therefore, according to the question, 10 years hence, 10 years hence, 10 years hence. What is the meaning of the 10 years hence? Means from now, okay, 10 years hence, okay, after 10 years, that is the meaning. Hence 10 years now, 10 years hence, at present, according to the question, see here, 10 years hence, the age of, from now, okay, 10 years, the age of A, at present, what is the age of A? X. 10 years hence means after 10 years, the age of A will be what? X plus 10. Now therefore, see that the age of A, that is X plus 10, will be 2 times that of age of B. Now, age of B is what? Y. 10 years hence, Y plus 10. 2 times. So therefore, after 10 years, age of X will be X plus 10. At present it is X. After 10 years, the age of Y will be Y plus 10. Comparing these two, according to the question, this will be 2 times that of this. Therefore, I hope it is clear. Okay, children. Now let us reduce this into the required form. Hence, therefore, X plus 10 equal to 2Y plus 20. Therefore, X minus 2Y equal to 10. Call this as equation 1. I hope you got it. 2 into y, 2y, 2 into 10, 20, plus 2y becomes minus, then plus 10 becomes what? Minus 10, 20 minus 10 is what? 10. Therefore, it becomes what? X minus 2y equal to 10. According to the question, next what? The age of A was 6 times that 10 years ago. The first condition is 10 years hence. Now it is 10 years ago. The age of, so therefore now 10 years ago. 10 years ago. What about the at present the age of X or age of A is what? X. 10 years ago means what? X minus 10. Correct? X minus 10. Now just to compare. 10 years ago, the age of X. What about the age of X? It was X minus 10. The age of A was next. That of age of B. B, at present age of B is what? Y. 10 years ago, Y minus 10. Now let us compare. The age of A was 6 times that of age of B. So therefore, 10 years ago it was X minus 10. 10 years ago it was Y minus 10, that is age of B. Now age of A was what? 6 times that of B. Understood, children? X minus 10. What is X minus 10? 10 years ago. What is Y minus 10? 10 years ago. What is the comparison between A and B? 6 times. So that's why X minus 10 equal to 6 times that of Y minus 10. X minus 10 equal to 6Y minus 60. Therefore, X minus 6Y equal to minus 50. Call this as equation 2. How comes minus 50 minus 60 plus 10 minus 50? So thus now we have pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we have to solve. How to solve? We know by any method, by elimination method, by substitution method, or by graphical method, whatever the method. Let us adopt what elimination method. Quite easy, because here we have coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x is 1. Therefore, to eliminate, when we have same coefficients, same sign means we have to go for what? Subtraction. Now let us subtract what? 1 minus 2. Therefore, 1 minus 2 we get. That means on subtracting 2 from 1, we get now, once better we shall write, children, x minus 2y equal to 10, x minus 6y equal to minus 50. Especially in case of subtraction, it is better, let us write, then show the change of signs and then go for simplification. So therefore, plus x minus x get cancel, signs are different, find the difference. 6 minus 2 is 4, 4y equal to plus 10 plus 50, 60. Now therefore, y equal to 60 by 4, y equal to 15, y equal to 15. Now by taking equation 1, hence y equal to 15. Okay, now let us substitute this value of y in equation 1. Now therefore, on substituting, or simply even we could write as from 1 x minus 2 into 15, 30 equal to 10. Therefore, x equal to 10 plus 30, 40. So thus, what we have assumed, the age of A as what? X. Hence, now the age of A is what? 40, and the age of B is how much? 15. Below this, hence the present age of A will be equal to what? 40 years, and the present age of B will be equal to 50 years. Okay, children. So thus, by applying what? Pair of linear equations, we can get what? The ages of any given sequence. Yes, children. Two problems are for your assignment. A fraction becomes 8 by 11 if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. Also, if 3 is subtracted from the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 2 by 5. Find the fraction, just like the problem what we have done. Let us assume, let the fraction be x by y, like that we can start. 7 times a 2-digit number. Let us assume the 2-digit number be what? xy. Is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing xy. How do you write? 10x plus y. When we reverse, it becomes yx, 10y plus x. That concept you have learned in 9. Just you apply that, children. Quite easy. If the difference between the digits means x minus y or y minus x is 3, find the number. Okay, children. Thank you. We will continue in the next class.